Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a little advent calendar that I created for one of my friends. So we're doing a little swap of advent calendars, just 12 days, and I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys the packaging that I made for all of my little gifts. So I did create my own packaging using mostly 12 by 12 papers. I made my own little bags and things, and then I went ahead and decorated them, and I think they turned out so super cute. I used a variety of collections from the multiple 12 by 12 paper pads that I have, as well as a little bit of Merry Days. So I think this one turned out really cute. And here you can see all the different layering that I did. I added some gemmies and some sparkly snowflakes, little tag here, puffy stickers, there's a little bit of washi tape. I think this one is really cute, and then I actually glued it closed and then just put this little piece of decorative washi there on the front, and I think it's really cute. And so this will get the little advent party started. For the second day of the advent, I used a washi tube from Michael's, and I added a little bit of ribbon up here at the top and then just covered it in some scrapbook paper. I also did the bottom and then put a little bit more paper here on the front with a little cut apart. These advent cut aparts are from the Merry and Bright collection by Echo Park. And here you can see I just added some more washi tape, some little stickers from Merry Days. And this one opens really easily. It's like that, and then I wrapped the goodie in some tissue paper with little snowflakes on it, just so my friend can't get too sneaky and peeky. So that is what that looks like. Again, I made my own little like packaging. This is like a little bag, I guess, or a little pouch of some sort. I don't know, but I just used some scrapbook paper and then just added some glue around the sides. I added like this little topper with some of the Merry and Bright paper, and then I made this tag. Added some ribbon, some little sparkly things. So you might have noticed by this point that I do have kind of a color scheme going on for all of the packaging. So I'm using the red and green, and then also some pink and some blues. So I wanted this to be kind of really frosty looking and wintry looking, but with a little bit of, you know, traditional red and green for Christmas. So that is why all of the bases of the packaging are mostly blues and things. So here I added some washi tape and some puffy stickers. This little cut apart situation I just made into a tag kind of thing. So it's just two little cut aparts and the Santa's in the back. And then I just punched holes in the top, added some baker's twine and some little green gemmies. And then back to the little pouch situation. I figured that my friend could like cut open the top really carefully and maybe turn these into some little bags or something to add to other projects or albums or to repurpose somehow. So here again, I just have the little fold over piece at the top. I layered up some little banners for my die cut stash. I cut down this red washi so it was really thin, added some little sparkly bits. And here again, just, you know, layered up some more scrap pieces of paper, a little cut apart, die cut, more puffy stickers. And I did use my scalloped scissors throughout this whole advent calendar. I didn't use them all the time, but sometimes I did, and I think it adds just a fun little touch. For this little gift, I went with a little bag. I'm repurposing this one from a gift I received last year. I love the penguins. I think they're so cute. And I just repurposed the little holes that were here from the string, you know, that comes with gift bags. So I just repurposed that and it was fine. And I made this little tag. So it's got the number 6 and some foam snowflakes on there. And just layered on this little die cut, some gemmies, and then I covered a bunch of the little dots with red gemmies too, just to make things a little bit more sparkly. And I like how this tag kind of covers up the penguins a little bit and kind of ties in the blue a little bit more. So I think that's really fun. Day 7, I made this little pouch by just folding over some scrapbook paper, and then I put on this little topper again. Some more layered washi. This is a die cut, I believe, from the Snow and Cocoa collection, and I think it's just really cute. I had this tiny little bow here just for a fun little detail. For day 8, there's another little pouch situation here, and this one I kept really simple. I really love this pink pattern paper, and it works perfectly with all the colors that I was trying to use this year. So I just layered on the cut apart onto a scrap piece of paper, layered on this die cut, this puffy sticker for the Merry Days, and then some little black enamel dots. and I think it's really cute. It's one of the more simple packages, but I think it turned out really nice. For day 9, this is the little package. I think it's really cute. I love this one. These are not like colors I would naturally go towards for Christmas, like blues and like a dark green, but I think it works really well. So there are some little enamel dots on here. These puffy stickers are from Merry Days, and I just layered on some different washies to kind of help tie things in. I think it's so sparkly and so much fun. I love the little bears. For day 10, this is the little package. So again, just a little pouch with some washi tape and scrapbook paper. And then I created this tag, again, by layering the cut apart over some pink paper, because I knew I wanted to use this die cut, and it has a little bit of pink in it. So I wanted to pull that in somewhere else so it wasn't super out of place. The blues tie in really nicely, and the green and red is just really festive and fun. So I love how this one turned out, and my friend can repurpose the tag if she wants, maybe cover this up or something, I don't know. And yeah, I just punched one hole in it. I think day 11's packaging is some of my favorite. I love all the different layering. I love this closure. This is one of my favorite ways to close up a little package or a bag. I think it's so much fun. And you can see here I have the scallop detail of the paper that I also did on the pink here, and then I picked that up again with this puffy scallop sticker. I think it's so fun. It's so cute. I love all the colors. These colors all kind of represent, you know, the vibe that I was going for with the packaging. And I just love that. I think it's so fun. So this red is actually the washi tape again. And then I just layered this pink scrap piece of paper over it to make it look like it's a big piece of red paper. This is a chipboard sticker from Echo Park, as is this. You can see I've got some jummies and kind of tying in the gold puffy stickers. And I just layered up the cut aparts there. I think it's so pretty. And then for the 12th day, because we're doing like a 12 days of Christmas Advent thing, like that's kind of why there's only 12 things, I made this little pouch. It's really flat. I messed up here. There wasn't enough paper to go all the way around, but it's fine. It's okay. It's not a big deal. And I just layered on this die cut that says December 25th, because hopefully my friend will be patient and wait to open this on December 25th. So instead of doing the little 12 die cut, I thought this would be kind of a special way to mark the last day of Advent. Here I've got a little bit more of that pink paper, some blue washi, and then more of that red glitter washi. And I also use some of my favorite glittery dimensional embellishments, which are these little snowflake guys, and I did some little jemmies and some tiny little puffy stars. And then this snowman is from Echo Park, I believe, or Simple Stories, I can't remember, but he's really cute too. So I thought that'd be fun and kind of tie up the whole Advent. Again, you can see all the colors and things that I was going for. So I'm going to go ahead and lay all these out so you can see how they all kind of work together and how they all kind of coordinate, and I love that. I love how it turned out. I think it's so super fun that way. Hopefully I can get all these in screen for you guys. So some of them will be a little bit covered up, but you'll be able to see kind of the overall vibe that I was going for. This little bag is super cute. I would say out of all of them, this one probably doesn't go the most, but that's okay. I was trying to, you know, use what I had and work with what I got, so that's fine. Number 3 is really cute. Number 1 is really fun, and then number 2 is right here. So as you can see, it all kind of goes, it all kind of works together, which I love. I love doing themed things and kind of making everything match a little bit. And I love that there's, you know, pops of pink and red and all that throughout. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this, and maybe you got some ideas on how you can package up some of your happy mail. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!